doesn't look right. What do you think we should do? Follow the yellow brick road? Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
When I have her ruby slippers, my power will be the greatest in all of Oz. But how to do it?
Oh, you could ask her nicely.
Hey, you could trade her for a bag of magic beans. Sorry, wrong story.
Now quiet, both of you. I'm trying to think. I said quiet. That's how I'll get that girl. I'll turn these pretty dandelions into an avalanche.
We gotta get that wand. It's the only way to save Dorothy. Hey, what? No!
What? Get that wand! Give me that wand, little mouse. It's mine. Enough of this foolishness. Come on, you two. Quit clowning around. I'll deal with you right after I finish that girl. What? Again?
What's that? What's that?
Oh, no! Avalanche!
We're safe. Unusual weather we're having.
Tom, Jerry, look out!
Tom and Jerry, eh? Well, you've both earned my wrath. This isn't over! I'll get you, Tom and Jerry! And that little girl, too!